Yep. Ow.
That was
you
Israel.
You can actually see the headlight shatter.
Did you see the Israel flag?
Video protected.
That's what you get listening to the Smashing Pumpkins, bro.
Jesus, man. Why are we so zoomed in?
It's the back camera.
They should give me $20.
He just has his FOV turned down, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, Captain Sparkle's out here still playing at normal FOV.
This is
playing
so
at 65 FOV. Oh, fucking hell, bro.
Damn.
Oh, Willie,
Yo, Willie is rubbish, mate.
What is it? Are we watching Christmas edition?
Bro?
No, whoa, dude, fucking jump scare. Holy
yeah,
shit.
where did that guy even come from?
He was just parked waiting, dude.
That was like the most insane reaction time for the driver.
He was just on the road. Right?
Yeah, you're right.
He looked like he was parked, and then he moved so quick. It's like he was trying to hit him. Like, holy shit.
Genuinely, like the best reaction we've ever seen from a driver.
That's crazy, man. What the fuck was he doing?
Subaru jump scare, dude. Holy shit.
Goated, man.
Do another with Subaru? Oh, Subaru jump scare. I'm starting to really doubt Subaru drivers. Like, holy shit, there's a lot of them in here. Another one.
Yeah, all right, man. Okay, dude. Dude, I dropped something the other day and it sounded like a gunshot and scared me. I felt like such a chud.
Oh
Holy
my
shit!
God.
Oh my fucking god! Cyclist spotted. It's dead.
Two dead, bro.
The whole fucking gang was in town. Did you see that? No wonder that happened. Dude, cyclists only appear like Mothman when, like, a disaster is about to strike. Have you noticed that?
Yeah, because it's always their fault.
It's an omen.
Yeah, it's an omen, yeah.
Oh no! Oh no!
Dude, what the hell?
Dude, oh my god! Fuck semi-trucks when they do this shit, dude. I hate them so much. If semi-truck drivers, if you're stuck behind a slow guy, just fucking stay behind him, dude. Or else we're gonna have to make this shit outlawed. We're gonna have to make it actually illegal. And we're gonna have to have monitors in your fucking semi-trucks to stop you from doing this. we're gonna have people watching you all day to make sure you don't do this shit.
No, but hear me out, man, right? That, like, this wouldn't be a problem if we all just became cyclists. Like, you could weave through the gap.
That's true.
You're right. Also, we could just have 80 cyclists pulling a trailer instead of a semi-truck.
100%, yeah. 100%.
This is a great idea. We're gonna do this.
Like the large ones with the big-ass tire in the front.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They were kind of cooking with that. They should bring those back. Okay.
Dude.
All right, man. Didn't make a noise, bro.
People drive like this in the snow, and it's like, why? You live here. You have to live here. You know this is stupid.
Yeah, keep honking at him so he knows what he's doing is wrong. Yeah.
Well, no, he can't fucking stop because of the snow, right?
I know, but the honking is so funny. The honking is so funny. The honking's like, what's he gonna do?
Beep, beep,
Why
dude, look out,
the pickup
dude.
truck just like curl up like that on the road?
What do you mean?
Why did this? I guess it was tired, just curled up for a nap. I don't know, bro.
He just slipped. He lost traction.
Yeah,
bro.
I
That's
know
what happened.
why I'm making a joke because it looked like it curled up like a snake. That's all.
Yeah, well, it didn't sound like it, man. And now I'm offended. I'm personally offended, right?
Dude, I literally,
it's a problem.
I could care less about your race, man. Honestly.
Oh, so you could care less, which means you do care a bit.
Why do you keep bringing it up, James? Why do you keep bringing up your race like this, James?
What?
Dude, I don't know why everyone's getting on my ass. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do
I was the one that
anything.
said that. What?
I know.
I didn't do anything.
I'm confused now.
What's your favorite race, Brandon?
Yeah, that's Bumblebee, but he's great.
Oh, the name's Bond, sir.
Yeah, this is Dodge activities, by the way.
This car better rap.
Yes!
Yep, thanks.
Yeah.
That's annoying as shit, bro. Motherfuckers be doing that shit all day. Wait, we saw this clip. Oh my god.
Oh my. Holy fuck.
It did not get easier seeing it a second time.
That was a cop.
That's fucking cray. You just destroyed that car, man.
Good god, the trunk. No, now where will I put my groceries?
Oh, no,
My Costco groceries. Oh, my rotisserie chicken. This is scary. What the fuck?
Welcome to Blue World.
Yeah,
why is this like the Polar Express?
Oh
Dude, holy shit!
The Polar Express is exploding!
Dude!
What the hell?
Go back,
Holy
rewind.
shit!
Was it an oil truck?
Dude, a fucking tractor, a stupid little farm tractor just took this shit out, bro. That's crazy.
That's crazy, man.
It looked like such a fake explosion, but just the sheer audacity of it made me laugh. But it's like, I'm not laughing at it exploding. I'm just laughing at it. Oh, whatever. I don't gotta
just drive it up, and then it's just like, boom.
Yeah, like it doesn't even look real. That's crazy.
Fucking insane. What even happens? How does that happen? Like,
they hit something, and then they hit another thing, and they blew up.
it's just crazy, man. Is this the aftermath? Like the wreckage?
I wish I knew what they were carrying. Probably gas.
Gas or poop?
Poop. Dude, I want my frame rate back.
Yeah, Jesus, man. This is what it's like going back to, like, fucking 60 FPS after playing 144, bro.
I know, right?
Like, it's actually crazy how you can't go back. Like, 30 to 60 is crazy, but 60 to 144 is insane. I didn't see anything, bro. Sorry.
Get in court? Yeah, bro. Sorry, you're at fault. We didn't see anything.
Yeah, like, not my fault, bro. I didn't see shit.
Put your lights off, man. It's light out. What the fuck?
Is this the same fucking area?
Did they, like, come back?
Yeah, are they
like,
coming back and meeting up in secret? Okay, okay, bro. I'm just...
Dude!
What are we doing here? Are you on
What-
fentanyl?
what was
the fuck
that?
just happened? What is going on right now?
This is a wacky video. What the
Is
fuck?
everybody on Fent? Huh?
No, that's meth
Didn't they just
activities.
drive away? Like,
Like, whatever, bro. This guy's got the Tung Tung Sahar fucking dash cam. What is that name? Song Tong?
it's probably
Yeah.
just like Korean or some
Dude,
shit.
this
man.
looks better than most of the American dash cams.
It
okay?
does, yeah. No, I want one of
Yeah,
them.
we
That's what I'm
might
saying,
have to get
bro.
some song tong, bro. Fuck me.
Holy shit.
Dude, what is this?
I'm half expecting the fucking, like, a creature to appear,
Oh,
bro.
dude,
Like,
don't,
the
no,
Demogorgon.
don't be
Yeah.
passing on that road.
Siren Head or some shit, bro.
He's gonna spin out.
Spin out of control.
Dude, you can't be
Spin out of control.
that.
Spin out of control.
Dude. I get that you're mad at him, but, like, come on, man. Relax. Like, just sitting there being like, yeah, die!
So, dude,
die!
this guy-
Oh, man.
this guy-
leave behind
Poke.
mourners.
Poke.
Yeah,
he,
like-
he wasn't wishing for his death. Okay, this guy's a fucking wizard. He made that shit happen. Okay.
Holy shit,
he was like,
bro. I didn't even think about
spin
that.
spin out, and they fucking did.
Dude,
Use
if
the
I was a
connections,
wizard,
man.
I'd deadass just try to find the quickest speedrun way to, like, make a nuclear spell, you know? Just, like, a nuke spell and just constantly threaten people
This is
with
an
it.
anime.
Literally, man.
Just like, yeah, you keep
No,
fucking with me, man. I'll just kill all of us. I don't care.
This is quite literally an anime, and someone who's watched it will know. It is really funny. He was like, spit out. Spit out.
Yeah, and then he's just silent afterwards. Gets it all out.
I feel like that person noticed they were gonna hit the house forever ago and just didn't break.
You know, sometimes you just gotta let it ride, you know? Oh.
Like that.
You
What
could
the
actually blink
fuck?
and miss that. That was
Yeah.
crazy, man.
You
I don't
blink
even know
and you're
what
like,
hit
why
him.
are there debris in the road?
Remember, guys, it could also just not be your fault, and you could just get done in like that for no reason. Life is beautiful and special. So keep going to your 9 to 5, you know? Because that's the whole
That's
point.
when they're
you know?
most likely to
Life's
get in a
worth
car
living.
accident, bro. Oof.
Where are you? And my name is Michael.
Like, yeah, I'm
Wait, that's the
Michael.
Bringing Back car.
Really?
Yeah, look at the front.
Uh-oh. Spin out
See?
of control time.
Yeah, die! Die!
Look. Spin out of control.
Oh, great. Fucking Elon Mobile.
Oh my god, dude. Watch you going, pickup truck driver. What the fuck?
Yeah, this person needs to just go to hell. I'm not even gonna lie.
Dude, what is an icy ass roundabout? It's fucked up.
hell?
That could have been so much worse.
Okay.
Okay, this is Canada.
Oh, this is a nice camera. What the hell?
It's a house camera.
Okay. All right. Ow. All right, bro. You could see her, like, the
Yeah, she
gears
was like,
turning
"Oh,
in her head for
no."
a second there. Yeah, she's like, oh, shit. Where are you?
Dude, the guy in the
Chick-fil-A.
Oh my
Why would you get out the car, man?
The classic.
That is a 3-month ruiner, bro. Your day is ruined for 3 months.
A little band shell.
This is scary, by the way. I would not want to drive on this.
Dude, they're driving so fast.
Yeah.
Dude, look at this. Oh no, man.
Yup.
Got hit by the Hyundai, bro.
Fuck.
Well. What?
Yeah, no, I
Was
agree.
he breathing? What
Probably
was
having a
that?
panic attack.
Okay, just sound it off. So
Hey,
I
I'm
can-
gonna probably cut it. Because
Yeah, I'm just gonna
it
cut in here
sounds
real
really
quick.
weird.
Yeah, we
Cyclist
know
spotted
who
and
the
Omen
idiot
here.
is.
2 of them! Leave, man! The omens are right there! You should have known!
Oh my god, and they just fucking leave? And then they
Wait a minute.
point.
This is Wales.
This looks like a... Oh, it's 2
It's
cameras.
2
okay.
cameras, yeah. I think they just
I was
stretched
so
it to get them to
confused. I was
fit.
like, what the fuck?
You thought this was one camera.
Oh, no! No!
Oh, dude. That's it.
Yep, it's over.
Oh, no, he's about to get blacklisted from FedEx and all the other delivery companies.
At least the people move out of the way. That could have been manslaughter.
That was actually really scary, man. That was like a panic attack and a half. Okay, man.
We need to have a discussion about like cars in the winter, like
People need to have
society in the
discussion.
winter.
People just have to learn how to drive in the winter. It's that simple.
No.
We need a discussion on idiots in cars. That's what we need. We need to get rid of the idiots in the cars.
Yeah.
So a
There should be an
podcast?
IQ test. There should be a test to see if you're suitable to drive, like
Yeah,
to
and the
see if you can
test-
do it.
The test doesn't actually do much, really, and they kind of they're like, if you were an ape and you can turn the steering wheel, they'll just give you the license. That's what
Real
the test should
talk, in the US, way too easy to get a fucking license. Way too easy. That's why everyone sucks at driving, because no one fucking actually has to learn how to drive.
Roller bag free from the overhead bin and push it along. Sweat gathering.
What is this country, dude? What is
be. I can't
this?
tell,
This
man.
is
I don't know.
America.
Oh my god!
New Mexico.
This is why you don't cuss at people, bro. Because
Yeah,
they do
literally.
this.
Oh my
literally
god,
go.
it's fucking Andrew Cuomo.
I was bouncing up and down in very small seat, eager to
Get him out of here, bro.
But now
Dude, why is this
Jesus
fucking old
Christ,
fart
dude.
wearing ripped jeans, bro? Get out of here.
Motherfucker
outta
out
here,
here, the
fucking
sandwich
idiot.
ass fit, man.
Fucking 65-year-olds wearing fucking blue, like, ripped jeans. Get out of here, dude.
Unk thinks he's still got it, but he don't. Okay.
What is this Wonderland,
Dude,
dude?
the
This
guy
place
driving,
is
not
crazy.
slowing down at all is fucking crazy.
It's good stuff, man.
Oh, I saw
Okay.
this video.
You can't park there, bro. You gotta get out of there, bro.
This is pretty pathetic.
No, it's really sad. Do you think they actually like start thinking about their decisions maybe when this shit happens?
No.
Or do they just kind of like
They double
yeah,
down.
Who am I kidding? Of course,
They're
they
like,
what's
what,
happening in
they
France right
immediately
now,
go
dude.
home and look up on Reddit. What do I need to do to make my Cybertruck invincible? They don't start
Yeah,
reading a bunch
pretty
of
much.
threads.
Yeah, but in a zombie apocalypse, it'd be good though.
Not really though.
You're gonna
The
want
zombies are a
gas
real
in the
idiot.
apocalypse, dude.
That's a genuine reason they give though. They're like, yeah, in a zombie apocalypse that'll be good. And it's like, are you living in fucking fantasy
Yeah,
land?
do you have solar panels to charge your fucking car in the apocalypse? Like,
What are you talking about,
and
bro?
the answer is probably no.
Like you stink like shit, mate. You stink. What are we doing? Why are we just filming people? What did this? What?
Yeah, what did they
You're just
do?
filming a random guy. I don't care. I don't know what the context is here.
Yeah, literally. You can't
You
just
look like
cut
an
out the
idiot, if
context,
anything.
man. Like, what?
Wait.
Yeah, like there's no evidence here unless he does something stupid here.
Oh, they're just gonna blow through the rat.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Now I know
yeah,
why this,
man.
this was shown.
Epic
Okay.
karma.
No, literally, a Redditor would comment that and be
No.
like,
This-
stupid games
this-
win stupid
This
prizes.
is a Reddit moment. That is the top comment. It is
Leopards ate
fucking
my face.
20 Reddit gold, dude. 1,000%.
Good God, man. That guy is, holy shit, he is sprinting.
My guy's
And that
like,
guy's just
"Shit,
walking.
man."
Jesus, what is... Oh, okay, we're showing the aftermath. Good stop, good stop. Yes!
He puts his
What do you
hand up.
wave? Did you see him
He's
wave?
like, thanks, man.
Like, oh yeah, thanks, appreciate it,
He's
bro.
like, my bad, bro. My bad.
T-bone him. T-bone him. Also, this looks like a beautiful area, by the way. The
Miami.
hell?
Florida.
That would make sense. Dexter was living the dream, bro.
Dude, speed
No
up. This
quiero
guy's
Taco
gaining
Bell.
on you.
Yeah, dude,
Yeah,
I
you gotta go
agree.
faster,
Go
bro. He's
faster.
scaring me.
See, you're slowing
then
down.
brake check.
You're the
Brake check.
asshole.
What is this other guy doing? I didn't even... Jesus, what is going on? They're like
Yeah,
teaming up.
why are they like touching butts, man?
Dude,
What the
yeah.
fuck?
Now you got 2 people behind you who think you're going slow. Okay, you
They're
gotta
like
speed it
actually
up.
touching on you, bro. You gotta get out of there, man.
Dude, again, like, why don't we all just go on vacation during the winter? Why are we actually, like, accepting that this is normal to fucking live in?
I like the winter.
But, like,
don't.
dude, like, I like the winter as well, but, like, fucking Walmart expects you to pull up to fucking work in these conditions. Like, it's not fucking crazy.
I think the solution isn't people don't work in the winter. It's that we give everyone a monster truck in the winter so they can get to work. If we were
I don't know.
really based, we could heat the roads.
No, dude, that's like some Chinese ass shit.
it's
We can't be
actually,
doing
it's
that.
actually Japanese.
Oh.
Well, I guess you're right. I'm sorry.
So we can do it. Okay. This is
Where's the audio, bro?
It doesn't have audio.
Deserved it.
Oh
It feels
no! Look out!
deserved
Look out!
Ow. Oh, he's getting everybody with this
Bro,
one.
if I can-
Everyone's getting a little tap.
Covered him in oil or something,
Oh
bro. Why was it going on?
no!
This is a little scary. Oh my. Uh-oh. I was gonna say you were
Whee!
almost safe too. Damn. Yeah, I would stop or just go. Like I would just
Damn.
go and blow past him before he decides to start spinning out again randomly.
Okay, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Click editors down. Bye.
We love you.
shoulder.
We love you. Kim Jong Epstein. Kim Jong Epstein.
He's in the files. Check the files. Read the files. Kim Jong-un's in the file.